Hello students, I am Sunny sir from Mahdi English School. This video is for class 3 subject grammar. And before we begin with our video, I want to discuss some important points with you that we do every day. So which are the points? You all already know that. The first point is that you have to maintain cleanliness around your place. Wherever you live, your house, your street should be neat and clean. See that the garbage, the waste things are thrown nowhere except for the dustbin which is covered. And if you maintain cleanliness, then you are maintaining your proper hygiene, because cleanliness is next to godliness. It is very important to make your surroundings neat and clean, and also tell others to throw everything in the dustbin, even the wrappers or the vegetable peels, etc. And see that you avoid eating outside food as much as possible. Eat the food which is prepared at home. Eat the hot cooked food immediately. Don't eat the stale food. Don't see that you do not eat the rotten vegetables or fruits. And also see that you take care of the family members, obey your parents, and complete your work on time. Watch the videos regularly. Now, today's thought we have is say good words, think good thoughts, do good deeds. So, simply, this thought means three things. First thing is that you have to speak good words like thank you, sorry, welcome. All these are good words. If you speak these words, the listener will be really happy. You should use these polite words in your speaking, like please help me, please do this for me, thank you for helping me. So these are good words. Then you can think good thoughts. Everything good you have to think about your family. You have to think each and every good thing that is possible for yourself, for your family. Do good deeds. Do good deeds means you have to help everyone who is in need. You have to help the needy people as much as you can. So help the people if you can. The content that we shall cover in today's video, that is lesson number 7, articles. We have already seen the previous two videos for this lesson. Today we shall continue. First we'll see the recap of the previous video, what we have done in the previous lecture. Then we will solve the textual exercises, the two exercises that are pending. We shall solve it today and complete the lesson. And you have to write along with the video like you are doing every day, I suppose. So see that you are sitting with your notebook, pencil and eraser, and let us start. So this is lesson number 7, that is articles, that we have been learning in the previous two videos. So you have to give the heading, as I tell you every time, that while you are sitting, while you are writing, you should give the heading of the lesson each and every time. There are three types of articles that we have been learning: a and the. Now in the previous video, what had we seen? In the previous video, we had solved the first textual exercise of the lesson. What had we done? We had written a or an in the words in the blanks. We have solved this exercise very nicely. We have understood how to write the answers, how to use article a or an before some words. Like for example, we can say here it is given umbrella. So we had written an umbrella. And I had told you that first alphabet is a vowel. A, E, I, O, U are vowels. That's why we write an umbrella, an ice cream, because here I is also a vowel. But when it is given a consonant like phone, so the first alphabet is P, and P is a consonant. It is not article. So we had written a phone, then a king, an ocean, a gift, an auger, an orange, a zoo, an igloo, etc. Like this we had written all the answers, and I had explained to you in detail where to write a and an. After that I had also taught you some rules where to use article the. So let us recall that rules and quickly solve the next exercise. What are the rules? So the first rule says that when it is clear that which person or thing we are talking about. For example, who was the girl you were talking to at the store. So when you are sure that you are talking about one particular girl, only one girl, then you say the girl. You are sure you are talking about one shop or one store, then you say the store or the shop. Then second rule was, when we talk about people or things in particular, when there is only one and only one thing, like the sun. Sun is one, so we say the sun, the prime minister, the nation, the red fort. All these things are particular things. They are only one. There are not two prime ministers in our nation. There are not two nations, only one India. There is only one red fort. So we use article the before particular things. The names of famous buildings and monuments, such as the Taj Mahal, I told you, that is the name of a famous monument, so we use the before it. Then I had also taught you that the names of the rivers, oceans and seas, when it is given, you have to use article the. Like the Ganga, it is the name of a river, so we use the before it. The Indian Ocean, it is the name of the ocean, so again it is capitalized and we use the before it. The Arabian Sea, again it is capitalized, it is the name of the sea, so the Arabian Sea. Then the last rule was, not the last, but the last rule on this page, with the names of deserts and forests. For example, the Thar Desert, the Sundarbans, these are the names given. These are the names of the deserts and the forest. So we use article the. After that, we had learnt two more rules. Which were that? With the names of newspapers. I had told you get newspapers delivered to your houses in the morning, I suppose. So the Times of India, it is the name of one of the most popular newspapers of our country. The Gujarat Samachar, the Indian Express. With the names of the newspapers, we have to use article the. The name of the train is given, the Rajdhani Express. So we have to use the before the names of the trains and the newspapers. And the is also an article. Remember that thing, article is the. It is a definite article. And indefinite articles are article a, n. So there are three articles, a and the. Now, in exercise number 2 that we are going to solve today, in that we have to use all the three articles together. Means we have to read the sentence and we have to decide that which is the most apt, which is the most suitable article in the particular blank. So the heading, now you have to write the answers in your notebook. So first you shall write the heading. Fill in the blanks with article a, n or the. So the heading you will write, fill in the blanks with article a, n, the. I hope you have given the heading already. So now after giving the heading, let us write the answers one by one. You shall read along with me and you will also write the answers in your notebook. See that you don't miss out writing any of the answers. So we'll read the sentence now. The first one is given. English is dash easy language. English is dash easy language. Now what shall we write over here? Should we write a, n or the? We have to select any one of these options. Now see the word which is given after the blank. What is given? Easy. Now easy starts with vowel E, because A, E, I, O, U, these are 5 vowels in English. So easy starts with vowel E, and that's why we have to write article N. English is an easy language. So because it starts with vowel, we have to write article N. So write down the answer. If possible, you can write the whole sentence if you can along with the video. If your speed is good, you can write the whole sentence also. But if you cannot write the whole sentence, it's okay. You can just write the answer, because the PDF will be sent in the group. So the questions you can verify from the PDF. Next, number 2, is Australia dash island? is Australia dash island. Now here the spelling is given ISLAND and here S is silent. So we pronounce this word as island. And do you know what is an island? Island is a piece of land that is completely surrounded by water, like Canary Islands, etc. So is Australia dash island? We have to decide which answer should be written over here. So the first word is I, and as we know, I is a vowel. What is the first word after the blank? Island, and I is a vowel. The pronunciation of this word is island. It starts with I. A, E, I, O, U are vowels. So just like this one, we have to write article N in the second blank. Is Australia an island? So I hope you have understood the reason. Why have we written N? Because island starts with I. I is a vowel. So an island. Next. See, Australia is capital because it is the name of the country. So it should be capital. Same way English is capital because it is language. Next, number 3. Sania left after dash R. Sania left after dash R. What is the spelling given over here? See, HOUR. But do we say hour? No, the correct pronunciation of this word is R because the first alphabet H is silent over here. So we pronounce it as R. It is pronounced with O sound, R. And because it is the pronunciation of a vowel, O is a vowel, so we say NR. Sania left after NR. Here it should be N because H is silent, we say R and we pronounce it with vowel sound. So the third answer also you will write NR. If you have written the whole sentence, it is very good. I think you can write the whole sentence along with the video. So please write it. Next, number 4 is given. I read the story dash year ago. Sorry, it is read because it is past tense. I read the story dash year ago. Now here the word after the blank is year and the first alphabet is Y. So do you think it is a vowel? Y is not a vowel. It is a consonant. So with consonant, which article do we use? We use article A. I read the story a year ago. Why? Because the word is year, Y-E-A-R, year, and the first alphabet is a consonant. And that is the reason we have written article A. I read the story a year ago. Because Y is a consonant, it is not a vowel. And the pronunciation is also with consonant sound. Next, it is given dash Ganga is dash river that flows through India and Bangladesh. Again, dash Ganga is dash river that flows through India and Bangladesh. Now, India and Bangladesh are capital because these are the names of the countries. So, here the first blank is dash Ganga. As I told you with the names of the rivers, you have to write the, and here G is capital. It shows that it is a proper noun. Ganga is a holy river in India. So Ganga should be written with article the because it is the name of a river. And with the name of the river, we use article the as we have learnt in the rules. And here it is given dash river. Now river is a common noun. There are so many rivers in India, so many rivers in the world. So we are talking about one river. So we will write article A over here. The Ganga is a river. So now you can write this sentence. If you have written the sentence, see, you can write the sentence before I read, and after that when I explain you can just write down the answers. The Ganga, here T capital because it is the first word in the sentence. The Ganga is a river that flows through India and Bangladesh. So with Ganga we say the, with river we have written article A. Next, Mr. Sheshadri was dash principal of our school. So here what is given? The name of the principal is given, right? Mr. Sheshadri was dash principal of our school. So the word after the blank is principal. But what is given over here? Principal means the principal can only be one. Can there be two principals in the school? No, the principal is only one. We have one principal in our school. Same way other schools also have only one principal. So we are talking about a particular person, Mr. Sheshadri. He was the principal of our school because only one principal was there, Mr. Sheshadri. So we have to write the principal. Like the sun is one, the moon is one, the prime minister is one. Same way, the principal of the school is one. So we write the. So please write the answer of F, that is the. Mr. Sheshadri was the principal of our school. Next, dash Indian Ocean is to dash south of India. Dash Indian Ocean is to dash south of India. Now in the next blank it is given about the ocean. The name of the ocean is given, Indian Ocean. So we have already seen this in example. When you see the name of any ocean or if you see the name of any river, you have to use article the. Same way here we will use article the. The Indian Ocean is to the south of India. Here also we have to use article the. And do you know the reason? Because south is direction like north, east, west. Four directions are there on the map: north, west, east, south. So with the directions also we write article the. So both the answers you have to write the. If you have written the sentence, it is very good. The Indian Ocean is to the south of India. Here is the name of ocean. Here is the name of direction. Next, one morning, dash visitor knocked at my door. Again, one morning, dash visitor knocked at my door. So, visitor is a person who comes to your place. Any unknown person. When you go to a place, you are called a visitor of that place. You come to my place, you are my visitor. So, visitor means you visit somewhere, you go somewhere. So you are a visitor. Visitor starts with V and it is about one single visitor. So we have to use article A because we are talking about a visitor. We don't know who came. If you are sure that who came, then we can use article the. But here a visitor. Visitor means we don't know who came. Name is not given. So it can be anyone. But it is only one visitor. So we write article A. One morning a visitor came to the house. I am repeating myself. Why did we write article A? Because visitor is only one. So with singular we write A or N. But here visitor starts with V. It is not a vowel, so we cannot use N. That's why we have written article A. One morning a visitor knocked at my door. Next. Japanese is the dash language of dash people of Japan. So here there is no dash. Here it is a printing mistake. There is no space which is left. Here article the is already used. Why? Because language. Japanese is the language because we are talking about one language. So the is already there. I have underlined it. So the first answer for you is the. Because when we are talking about any one particular language like English, so we say the English language. So Japanese is also a language, so the is already given. So you have to write this answer. Japanese is the language of dash people of Japan. Now here it is given people of Japan. Now here the word is people. People means more than one. Like in India there are crores of people. So people is plural, it is not singular. So we cannot use A or N because A or N used with singular nouns. The is used with plural nouns. Plural means more than one. So here people indicates more than one. One person and many people. So here we'll write article the. So please write down the answer. Both the answers are the language, the people. Japanese is the language of the people of Japan. Next and the last one. In case you meet your sister, give her dash gift I gave you. So this is the last sentence. What is given? In case you meet your sister, give her dash gift I gave you. So it is about gift. I have given you a gift. I am talking about that particular gift which I have given it to you. You have to give the same gift to your sister which I gave you. So I am talking about one particular gift. Suppose I gave you a watch for your sister. You have to give that watch which I have given to you. So I am talking about a particular gift, only one. So we have to write article the, because it is only one gift which I gave you for your sister. So now you can write this last answer in the blank. I hope you have written all the sentences so far till sentence J. In case you meet your sister, give her the gift I gave you. So we'll read all the sentences one by one. In case you have missed any, you can write it. English is an easy language. Is Australia an island? Sania left after an hour. I read the story a year ago. I read the story a year ago. The Ganga is a river that flows through India and Bangladesh. Mr. Sheshadri was the principal of our school. The Indian Ocean is to the south of India. One morning, a visitor knocked at my door. Japanese is the language of the people of Japan. In case you meet your sister, give her the gift I gave you. That is exercise number 2 that we had completed. It was number 2. Now here we have the last exercise of the lesson, that is exercise number 3. So you shall give the heading exercise number 3 in your notebook. You can write it on the new page, or if you have the space left below, then please write it. Here is the paragraph. We have to write articles in the paragraph. They have given one paragraph about elephants, you can say, and we have to complete that paragraphs. There are blanks which are given to us, almost 9 blanks, and we have to fill that blanks with the articles a, an or the. So we will read the sentence one by one, and we shall think and we shall write what is the appropriate article for each of these blanks. So I will read line by line, and if possible you can write the paragraph if you want, or you can just copy the answer of the paragraph articles which I will write. You can just write that, or you can also write the whole paragraph along with me. So let us read. Dash mammoth tusk was found near dash beach. This is the first line. Dash mammoth tusk was found near dash beach. So mammoth, what is the meaning of mammoth? Means a very large, of very big size. Tusk was found near the beach. What is the meaning of tusk? The tusk of an elephant is the two very long and curved pointed teeth. The tusk of the elephant are the two very long pointed curved teeth which they have. So a dash mammoth, very large tusk, the very long pointed teeth was found near dash beach. So here what shall we write? A mammoth. We have to write a mammoth because it is only about one mammoth. So a mammoth. And here we write the beach, or we can write a beach. Any one beach or any one particular beach. So we can write a beach or the beach. So you can write down the answer in the first line. A mammoth tusk was found near a beach or near the beach. Dash tusk was big and curved. So here what shall we write? Now the word tusk is repeated. It has come one time in the paragraph. When the word is repeated, we have to use article the. So here is the next sentence. The tusk was big and curved. The big tusk was pointed and it was curved. Historians believed dash tusk belonged to dash particular kind of elephant. Historians means the people who believe in history, the people who find out about the past things are called historians. They believe that dash tusk. Now again, the tusk, this word is repeated. See, one time it is here, the second time it is here, the third time the same word came. So again we will write the article the, because when the word is repeated, we have to use article the. Belong to dash particular kind of elephant. So here we write a particular kind of elephant, because particular means what? Only one. Like sun, moon, they are particular. So particular means only one kind. So we write article A over here. So here is the next line. Historians believed the tusk belonged to a particular kind of elephants called dash pygmy mammoth. Dash pygmy mammoth. The elephant which are called dash pygmy mammoth. Pygmy means the smallest of the group. It refers to the group of elephants which are the smallest in the group, tiny. The smallest means the pygmy. Pygmy mammoth. Mammoth, I already told you, a very giant. So pygmy mammoth, that particular group of elephant is called dash pygmy mammoth. So when pygmy is the type of elephant, you can say pygmy is a type of mammoth. So we say the pygmy because it is only one kind. It is a kind which refers to the smallest of the group. So the pygmy mammoth. Then next, they have taken dash tusk to the National Museum. So again see, the word tusk, it comes the fourth time. So what shall we write? The, because once, twice, then thrice and fourth time the word has come. So they have taken the tusk to the National Museum. The word has come fourth time, so we write the, because the word is repeated. They have taken the tusk to the National Museum. There they will study it. They will research. They will do research on that tusk, on that big teeth which is sharp and pointed. They are also going to call dash expert. Now expert is someone who is a master, who knows each and everything about a particular thing. So here they will call an expert of tusk, who knows each and everything about the tusk of elephant, who knows each and everything about the teeth of elephant. So expert, here is the blank. Expert starts with article E, A, E, I, O, U. These are articles. So with E we use article, we use N, because E is a vowel. So we say an expert person, an expert. So the sentence is, they are also going to call an expert. Why did I write article N? Because here you see expert, E is a vowel, A, E, I, O, U. With vowels we use article N. The last sentence, meanwhile they are looking for more tusks and bones in dash area. So the people, the historians, are also looking for some more tusks, means some more teeth of elephant in that particular area. The area where this tusk was found, in that particular area they are finding, looking for means they are finding some more tusks and bones of the elephants. So we are talking about one particular area. So when it is particular, what do we write? The area, because we are talking about one area which we know. For example, I know the girl, so I will say the girl. I know the boy, so I say the boy. So here I know which area, so I will say the area. So the last sentence is, meanwhile they are looking for some more tusks and bones in the area. This is how we complete exercise number 3. And I hope you have enjoyed the video. And today we completed exercise number 2 and exercise number 3 of this lesson. I hope you will revise this lesson once very nicely. And what is the name of the lesson that we just completed? Lesson number 7, articles. You have to revise these 2 exercises. Exercise number 2, article A and the, there were blanks, and in exercise number 3 we completed one paragraph with the articles A and the. So please watch the video twice and write all the answers and the questions and let me know if you have any doubts. Keep watching the videos, take care of yourselves, keep your surroundings neat and clean. Thank you, have a nice day.